We often praise Towson watches for the handwork that is applied to their dials, the finishings of the case, the regulation of the movements. But one characteristic that often goes undermined is what we like to call build longevity. Will the craftsmanship hold up over time? Will the watch carry that same luxury appeal as it did when you first acquired it? The craftsmanship can be inspiring and the details and intricacies can really be crave-worthy in the showcase. But what makes the watch a long-term investment that can be held as an asset that will hold up and possibly be sold or passed along as a meaningful item when those initial intricacies and details admired in the case won't last over time unless stored away as a piece of art and not used like a watch should be? It's the ability of a watch to serve as a mobile and purposeful piece of art that separates the horological category from others.
Military watch should not be a piece of jewelry. A military watch is a tool to find accurate time.
In the past 2 decades, we've seen the sports watch enter the realm of luxury goods, and that's because of this understanding of the horological medium. The problem is, delicate craftsmanship and sports don't exactly go hand in hand. No matter the materials used and the execution of the craftsmanship and composition, those intricacies and details will be in jeopardy. The watch will definitely not look the same 10 years later than it did in the showcase when you first bought it. Now, this isn't to say that a watch shouldn't be well crafted and feature those intricacies and details. It's just that the watch has to be maintainable. It has to be repairable in the future. And this is why at Towson Watch Company, every watch is engineered so that the bezel is a separate component from the midsection in the case back, so that the rhodium applications are applied to the dial instead of stamped onto the dial. So if anything happens to them over time, we can either replace that individual numeral or polish it up and make it new again. What separates build longevity from build quality is not the execution of the actual craftsmanship, but the ability to maintain it over time. And so a watchmaker has to be careful when engineering their watch to make sure that all of this work that they're doing to embellish the instrument can be properly maintained and be beautiful forever.